ready, when ready, ready, go. Okay. Right, don't think.
Please pass, yeah.
Let's start.
Bomb up. Time, please.
25 seconds.
Wait.
10 left. Time.
Oh, can I send it?
Send it.
Big guy. I think you've done your elevations the wrong way. I was going for the wrong targets on there.
Magazine out.
You're about 4 foot to the right. I saw one of them, yeah. Thank you. At first I'm saying to myself, he's done his windows the wrong way. Okay, ready?
Okay, time starts now.
Time, please.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Time, please.
8 seconds. 5.
Time. Christian.
Can I send it?
Yep. Wind is a bitch.
Couldn't see a thing.
Mark, first one I hit.
Drop your wago, please. He's got my flag. Where's Luca?
Oh, wind is.
Couldn't see a thing. Just off all over. All over the place. Hang on, right? Yeah.
First one I hit.
Wait, a second.
Hey, kisses.
Where's my son? My son's got my flag. Luca! You've got my flag! You've got my flag!
How many more?
Thank you. Stick it up there. Alright, clear? Clear. Thank you. Let's smoke it, Christian. Come on. Ready? Time starts now. Any sign of where I'm going?
Just see what it's like.
No, mate. Try holding half a mil left. That's up. No, can't see anything.
Oh yeah, I'm finished yet. Still got rounds in there.
Yeah, time. Yeah. Hope so.
I'm here. You're on. The crew ready. We're absolutely thrilled to be here. Okay, gang. Put the magazine in. Ready? Yeah. Everything you do, you do in the box. I'm just waiting on the spotter. If we can't spot it, fine. Alright?
It's good as it's gonna get.
Left, right. Left, right. Hang on a second. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so your ride starts now.
You see that?
No.
See that?
Nope.
Right, come about a mil left.
Time, please.
30 seconds.
Well, that's something good. Not seeing anything?
Ceasefire.
Butter?
Yep.
Yeah, happy.
Okay, get ready, go.
Hold further left, Christian. Thank you.
Centre.
Another target's width left, mate. Hit!
Time.
I got one! Yeah! I got one!
You're a bit clear.
Thank you.
Okay. Are you sure you hit it?
I can go home now. Next one.
The most happiest, depressing.
You two ready? Ready.
Shoot.
Not as windy as that, Christian. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
How much time, please?
10 seconds.
Okay.
Ceasefire.
2 minutes. 8th round. Target.
Oh, you get it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, the nearest two. Push the round back. Sorry. Yeah. You think I would? Ready? Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Come up a little bit, Christian, and left a little bit.
That's it, Chris. Same again. Come on.
Make him count, don't rush it.
Got all the time, mate. All the time.
Sort the bag out.
Seconds. Bags of time, Chris.
30 seconds? Bloody hell.
Loads of time. Loads of time.